Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we will check the price for accommodation in Ireland, and also I will give you some tips how to find accommodation cheaper. So we will check now Airbnb website. You can just open it. If you need to register, just sign in after, and we will check Ireland. For example, Dingle. It's a very beautiful town. So, and we will check one night for the next month for two people. So one night is 85 euro, 82, even 74. You can also check the map here. It's a very good option if you find your spot on a map and just search in this area. You can only see the price here. Check the price, it's only 73 euro. Why I tell it's only because in Ireland it's very expensive. Everything is very expensive. Very good option if you are going to book your accommodation for 1 week. It can be cheaper. So we will check the price now. Ireland. Just for 1 week. You can see here's a weekly stay discount, 53 euro. And also remember that you have to pay service fee to Airbnb every time. Okay, this is the price for if you book 1 week in August. Weekly stay discount. What about 1 month? Ireland for September. So friends, sometimes it's cheaper to book 1 month that and maybe stay 3 weeks that book week by week. So check the price, it's 1000 for all months. Look, if you are going to book 2 weeks, it's the same price that you will book 1 month. In some cases, of course. But if your dates are flexible, you can check next one option. Where you check Ireland and you check any week and 2 guests, you can get very good offer. Okay, we will check 1 week anywhere in Ireland. Also, here is a very good option that you can uh, arrange your price. So if you are going to, it's only 35 euro a night. For example, we will check. It's 210 euro for 5 nights. It's a very good price for Ireland because Ireland is one of most expensive countries, but one of most beautiful countries of the world. So at this moment, I'm just thinking about where to go in Ireland, but I need to check uh, cheaper price. So you can get, look, 28, but it's only for camp. If you have your own camp and everything that you need to sleep, you can rent the spot and pay 24 euro for a night. It means you have to pay 168 euro for 6 nights stay near of the private house. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope my information was helpful for you and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.